start with this advanced setting again. Yeah, so I'll give the overview on this. So this is called dashboard. Dashboard is something where we can represent a list of records, of different entities or different, views all together in chart format. See, this is chart format, this is list format. We call list, we call chart. The dashboard is here. And what we call for this? Sitemap, right? This is sitemap. Okay. And this is, if someone says switch the, app, how will you do that? You need to sales trial and switch the app here, where we have a different set of apps. Okay. This is called modern driven app. Okay. Now all the things are in dynamics in modern driven app only. And if you want to create a new app, what we will do? Create a new app. So modern driven app is nothing but, the set of customization we are grouping in one app, or set of business, like we have different business unit for different states, right? For Texas or for Illinois or for other state, we have different business of a, credit card. Let's take the example credit card. So for a different state, we create a different modern driven app. They might ask. So for to differentiate a business unit or to differentiate a business altogether, business requirement, we can, create a modern driven app where we can set all the requirement what that particular state wants. So I will say like training demo create I want you to, guys, to learn at least some basics so that someone asks you to develop anything. You should not be a blank. What is this? What is that? First of all, you should know all the terminology. Okay, so this is app solution, default solution. It's checking training demo app. Actually, they have changed the view, before it was different. Choose content page, custom page. Okay, custom page is nothing but form. So data was table. Choose a data was table means the entities, right? So entity, select existing table or create new table means create a new entity. We'll create existing table. Like for this training demo, I am going to give you all the information related to the account. So I will select account. I'm selecting activity. I'm selecting address. These all are what we call, what is these list? What we are selecting here? Entities, correct. So we are selecting entities. So now I'll select opportunity case. Case comes under the service module. Account come under the sales and service, both the modules. So I'll select case as well. And these all are a out of box entity called OBB. OOB. It means out of box. Means provided by the Microsoft. Clear? And now we'll go here where opportunity, because we were learning on opportunity. I'll select opportunity. So only I think I'll go with order also. After opportunity, order comes. We have a lot of entity. We can create custom entity, but I'll go only with this entity. Okay. Now this is my app will look like. Okay. And then here, these are the table that I have selected, correct? So I can, these are the account forms that are available, or we can add it activity, case, address. This is that. And then if I will save, Publish. Say publish means we are publishing, means we are publishing our changes to the server so that it will be reflected to the end user. So always do any customization, save and publish. Whatever you are doing, first what you have to do, save and publish. Add page settings. Let's explore more on settings. So we have this. I just want to change this solution, actually default solution. So I'm not sure whether I will be able to or not, because before we used to select the solution, but now I'll check whether we can change this or not. Okay. So this is features, upcoming features they are telling. So we can leave it. We can explore it if you want. On features, async on load, async server handler, enable Power BI. This is for Power BI. In-app notification, mobile commanding. All are these are new features, and we don't generally get the requirement on it. If we get something, then we just Google it and we will try to find it and do it. So it's very a new thing, or nobody use that, you would say. I haven't seen in my career using those. Okay, so now these are our app is configured. If I go here, refresh it, to refresh, control F5, hard refresh to see the changes. And edit form, we can edit the form. Play means we can place like a preview kind of thing, we can do it. And this should be the layout, order entity. Okay, wait. All right, so now I will switch my app from here. See, training demo. This is what we just created, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, and then we can see the manage role. This is also an interview question, how to manage the security role for a particular app. Means like I don't want to I don't want that Sudhir should see this modern driven app. Then how will you manage? And I don't want that, and I want someone that always it should be available for all users. So how will you manage that? So that we manage by here, by managing the roles. So we can assign this app for the set of users. For them, we want that they should be able to access this app. So we manage here. So here you are seeing is called security role. Very, very important features of the Dynamics. I will give a full explanation on the security also. So security role means saying these are the system admin and system customizer are the high level security role. First I will say what is security role. Security role is the any features that can person access or not access be controlled by the security role. If I have given you system administration, me you are a powerful user. सबसे highest, the topmost security role is called the system administrator and system customizer. These system administrator can do anything, can do everything in the CRM. So this is the highest role that anyone can have. For the business users, we give based on the their work, day-to-day work activity. If someone is only work on account side, so we create a one new security role. We can create a new security role, and there we can give the access like to only account entity, and then we will assign that role to the particular user, so he will be able to access only account. So I'll give you the explanation on that more in detail, but for now I'm just telling security role is responsible who will be access what in the Dynamics. Okay, got it? And system admin, system customizer is a highest level access in the Dynamics. So here I can manage and I can give, if Sudhir have or Kaza have this service administrator role, then only he will be able to access this app. like this we can give. Okay, so I have created this. I'll go into this. This is the first steps in the dynamics. I'm sorry. This is the first step that we create in the dynamics, right? First is modern driven app. What is modern driven app, right? So once we will create a modern driven app, once we